What is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare. There was a time when I never visited my terrace to see the flowers blooming. COVID-19, thank you for recreating in me, for reviving in me the love of nature. I can see the mango trees laden with green mangoes. I can hear the plaintive cry of the cuckoo, of the quail. Can you, my friends? I can see the small little flowers blossoming on my guava tree. And in a few weeks, they will be giving luscious green fruits. Look at these beautiful red flowers. Some call it kiss me quick because of the flowers looking like two lips, and that too bright and red and welcoming. So friends, I'm thankful that rather than looking at this time of lockdown as locking up ourselves from our neighbors, from our friends, from our colleagues, look at it as a time of revival, of growth, of rekindle. Rekindle your lost loves, your passions, your interests. I have so many students who are now sending me beautiful examples of their painting, videos of their dancing, incredible sketches done in ink and paper. It's a time to be with your children and your family, especially for those who have had no time to spend with their family. It's a time of joy. It's a time of emotional bonding. So always look at the positive side. What is the purpose of this video? The purpose of this video, friends, is to see the positive in the negative.